Happy Tech Tuesday, I'm Melanie Moron with UF Innovate, and today we're here at the headquarters library with the Alachua County Library District. Today I'm joined by Aram Perez with the STEAM Train. Aram, thank you so much for having us here.
I'm very excited to be here, and it's a pleasure to be here with you.
So what is the STEAM Train and why teach these kids about it?
So the STEAM Train, where STEAM is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. And I've developed a low-cost robot kit that I'm going to be having a program here at the headquarters and at the Tower Road branch, where kids will learn to build a robot, they'll learn how to program it, and they'll get to keep it at the end.
And what technologies are you guys using to build these robots?
So the chassis is cut from plywood using a laser. The pieces snap together, and then we have a microprocessor that has built-in Wi-Fi. So to control and program the robot, all you need is a device that has a Wi-Fi and a browser.
And how does STEAM help kids develop their skills?
So kids that have an inclination towards science, technology, engineering, art, and math, they'll have good opportunities if they study and get careers in those fields in the future. Hopefully this will spark their interest in those fields, and it'll give them a chance to do hands-on with the robot. They can see how it's put together. That's sort of called mechanical engineering. They'll learn a little bit about electrical engineering because you have to hook up the battery, it has to be hooked up correctly. There's sensors that have to be connected to the right place. And finally, they'll learn how to program the robot to do different tasks.
And what are some upcoming events here at the library for kids?
So in July, we'll have a two-day event here at the headquarters. That's the last week of July. The third week of July will be at the Tower Branch Library. And kids will, over 2 days, learn about the robot. And at the end, they get to keep the robot.
And for those who are interested in learning more, where can they go?
So they can go to my website. It's www.thesteamtrain.cc. I have some resources there, and then I have the events that I'm putting on. Besides the library, I'm going to be having a number of summer camps throughout Gainesville.
Well, Aram, it's been a pleasure.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
And that's it for today's Tech Tuesday. We'll see you next time.